Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Realtek audio driver for ASUS motherboard and systems. So let's get started. For this, just Google ASUS drivers and you'll be getting the first link from asus.com. Just click it, and here we need to search by the type of ASUS product that we are having. In my case, I'm having ASUS motherboard, so I will just search for that. So first thing, we need to get the model and specific name of that motherboard. For that, just press the start key and or you can just open the run from search. So after the run is opened, here you need to just type msinfo32 and we'll be getting the system information over here. As you can see, in the base board product, I'm having my ASUS motherboard model name, which is Prime H510MA-Y5. We need to enter the exact same thing in that drop down in their official website. So I'll just go here in the product model. I will just search for Prime H510MA-Y5. So the exact same motherboard model that I am having over here. And after selecting that, we will be having that driver and tools specific for that. Just click it, just scroll down and select the OS over here. Mine is Windows 10 64-bit. If you just scroll down here, as you can see, for audio we are having Realtek audio driver for Windows 10. Just click on download and the download will be getting started as a zip file. It's around 58 MB in size. Just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just extract it. And after extracting, if you just scroll down over here, we'll be having this setup application. Just click it and we'll be taken to the Realtek audio driver setup and select next. So make sure that you are restarting the system after you click on finish. So after you restart your system, just go to search and search for Realtek. You'll be having this Realtek audio console. So from this, you can adjust so many settings related to your speaker, microphone and other audio related devices. So as you can see here, right, recording, volume, the boost and everything is available over here. And we have successfully installed the driver also through this way. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.